My highlight was Ready Set Go Plus was meeting all those guys from different countries all over Europe and all the same vision of making disciples in and through sports.
I would say that the highlight for me was to find 25 young people as hungry and as passionate about sports and Christ as I.
It has been very great to serve kids and serve each other and see that God really works in the field of sports.
I'm still a student, so I've one more year in university, so it's just really good grinding to go back into university. And then for the world of work after that, who knows where I'll be. But to be set in using your sport as an opportunity for sharing who Jesus is something that I can't recommend anymore. So
My highlights for this whole month has been how different people from different places just come together in one purpose, sharing Jesus, sharing the love of Jesus and the gospel.
It has been also great to see how different those camps can be in different contexts, like in Portugal and in Jersey, and it can be different in Finland also, but I think that kind of sports ministry, it can work in every place.